Hi everyone, my name is Natalia Alves and I'm on a company called Bolo Bombom, as you can see on the screen. It is a sweet store and we are coming out with a new product. This product is called Bolo Bombom and it was designed to be a little piece of cake covered with chocolate. They are squared and handmade, so people can have a sweet gift to make someone's day better. It can be stuffed by 4 different flavors. I will show you strawberry, coconut, passion fruit, and brigadeiro, that is a Brazilian kind of chocolate. This is a new product and uncommon yet. Who doesn't love chocolate? Did you know that São Paulo, Brazil, there was a 12% growth in chocolate sales from 2019 to 2020? Our customers are chocolate lovers who bring love to life through the delicious small cake. They are perfect celebrations gift in Easter and Christmas and Valentine's Day. Brazilians spend a lot of money in chocolate and desserts. We have a page on Instagram in our products, and you can make an order by Instagram direct or WhatsApp. After the product gets known throughout the state of São Paulo, we will go to some supermarkets and some restaurants for distribution. I don't work alone. My company has 3 great people that are responsible for different areas. I worked in the production and sales, and I have a partner to take care of the logistic and another responsible for the marketing. And if it sounds interesting to you, please send me a message and I will be happy to give you a call to talk with you a little bit more. Thank you so much.